Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Battlefield error code 1:60001S:51009S:2397333630:65537Q. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to connect to Battlefield servers but are suddenly disconnected and placed in a waiting line. After this, the connection to the EA server fails with the error code. According to our research, this error is likely caused by shadow bans or account bans triggered by EA's anti-cheat system. Some players reported being banned even without cheating, which suggests false positives may also lead to this error. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if your account has been banned. Sign in to your EA account, go to Account Options, then open Privacy Settings and scroll down. From there, request a data download. EA will email you once it's ready and you can check your account status. If you find your account is banned, contact EA support for clarification. You may also try creating a new EA or Steam account. Many users reported that while their main account was blocked, they were able to log in and play normally on a new account. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.